Have you ever imagined having the best of both worlds in your hands? Meet the Kindle Scribe, the device that will transform your reading and writing. The Kindle Scribe is not just an ebook reader. With it, you can read your favorite books with the quality of a sheet of paper and at the same time, make notes, highlight important passages, and even create your own documents. Imagine a lightweight device with an anti-glare screen that adapts to lighting, providing a comfortable reading experience anywhere, anytime. With the Kindle Scribe, you can underline and comment directly on ebooks, create study notes, task lists, and even sketch your ideas. The stylus pen is extremely precise, allowing you to write as if you were on paper. And the best part? All your notes are automatically synchronized in the cloud, ensuring you never lose an idea. Did you know that the Kindle Scribe has long battery life? That's right, you can read and write for weeks on a single charge. Additionally, with Amazon's vast catalog, you have access to millions of books, newspapers, and magazines, all at your fingertips. The Kindle Scribe is perfect for those who want a versatile and practical device for reading and writing, combining cutting-edge technology with the simplicity of paper. Don't waste any more time! Transform your reading and writing with the Kindle Scribe. Click the link in the description to get your original Kindle Scribe now and take your reading experience to the next level. Kindle Scribe, read, write, evolve.